Hello, Mr. Brito. My name is Viviana Olaya. Welcome to this video. Today, I want to share with you some information that you can actually use to attract more customers using the internet. I hope you find this video insightful, and I really appreciate if you can just give me your feedback at the end. So I will be covering how are your competitors using the internet. So I'm going to have a look at their websites, the content, the Google business profile, and something that we call backlinks. So let's start with the Google search. I came in here and I type in Painters Miami. Google usually shows me the Google Ads section, which is this first section, which is really good at driving traffic, but it can be very expensive if it's not done correctly. Then the next section is the Google Maps or the Google Business Profile. And to rank here, you need optimize and geotag pictures. You also need reviews, and you need to be listed on directories such as Yellow Pages. And the name, address, and phone number in there need to be an exact match with those details in your GBP or Google Business Profile so that Google can verify them and you can rank at the top. Now, the third section is the Google Organic Search. This section, to rank at the top, first you need to have a responsive and a good, well-built website, and you also need something that we call backlinks. So let's split this. Here is where I found two of your competitors, so Certa Pro Painters. The other ones are directories, and Paint Pros Miami. So let's have a look at their website. So Certa Pro Painters, you can see that they have the click to call button. They have the get free estimate button as well. They have the details of the areas that they serve, the reasons why to work with them and why to choose them, a little links to the services that they provide. They have pictures of the team, and they also have more pictures over here, and the portfolio and the gallery that they have, and they have a blog over here, and testimonials and links to the social media accounts. So in general terms, you can see that they have a lot of content. In fact, they have around 1,078 words. And let's have a look at Miami Painting Services. These guys have the get free estimate, request a quote, how to contact them, a brief intro of the company, and description of the services that they provide as well. They have around this nice gallery, testimonials and reviews, and the contact us form. So they have around 500 words. So just in general terms, what you want is that you want to have a website that is responsive, that is easy to navigate, that is easy for users to reach out to you, but also that has relevant content. Because to be optimized for Google, you want to be between 1,500 and 2,000 words. And because through content, you're able to push through relevant value intent keywords. And what I mean by that is Painters Miami is one of those keywords. So now we have a look at their website and their content. Now let's have a look at their backlink profile, and that's how they rank at the top, because that's the mechanism that Google has to identify which websites are the most relevant ones. So if we have a look at Certa Pro Painters, we can see that they have, and just the landing page for South Miami, it has 398 backlinks in 38 referring domains. So that is that 38 external websites are directing traffic towards their website through 398 links. Miami Painting Services has 29 external websites directing traffic towards theirs through 73 backlinks. So it's important to have a strong backlink profile with links sitting on websites that are relevant to the services and to your industry, so that you can signal to Google that you're an authority. Now, this particular company, Certa Pro Painters, they are being found by Google by 106 organic keywords. And in this view, I can see what those keywords are. The volume is the number of times this keyword is searched for per month, and the position is in which position they're appearing in the Google organic search for that particular keyword. So you can see here, for example, painting contractor Miami is searched for 250 times per month, and they're in the third position. Painters Miami, 250 times per month, they're in the fourth position. Commercial painting contractors Miami has a search volume of 60, and because they're in the first position, they were able to drive 24 visits to their website. So basically what you want here is that you want to identify what are the relevant keywords with the highest search volume, because you want to maximize the number of times that particular that your website was in front of potential customers, because in the end, that's what you do. You add up this volume, and that's the number of times your website was in front of those potential customers. Because then a percentage of those customers are going to end up on your website, another percentage is going to reach out to you, and then another percentage, depending on your closing rate, you will be able to convert into new customers. And that's how having a responsive and well-built website translates into more traffic and the growth of your company. So I hope that you really like this video. Please feel free to use this information. And also, please don't forget to give me some feedback. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.